I'm Isabella Roll, and I'm a second-year auto body collision engineering student. I'm interested in this program because the auto body industry is full of opportunities and avenues, and I felt that I would best succeed given foundational knowledge from NDSCS. I decided on NDSCS as the right college because I heard very good things from word of mouth. Looking at all the facilities, it was amazing seeing top-notch equipment and education.
So when I first came here, I was super nervous and I didn't quite know what I was getting into. But as it went along, I learned a lot of things my first 8 weeks, and then as I continued to go to my shop over the next 8 weeks, and then when I came back here, now I feel a lot more comfortable on things that I do. There's some things that just feel like second nature now.
I think NDSCS is really special because it offers opportunities for you to get certified in industry-leading certifications like ICAR and PPG. So it really puts you a step ahead when you actually enter the industry, as well as I think that the faculty and staff here really support you and want you to succeed. And I know that my professors have really pushed me to achieve different goals, such as going to Skills USA and offering a lot of opportunities for travel and scholarships.
Seeing a car wrecked and then knowing that you know how to fix it and putting it back together like a puzzle almost. And then you got the paint booth side of things where you paint it, and it's super cool just to see the end product of what you worked on.